In today's video, I'll teach you how to get Tractor Supply coupon code. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to get the Tractor Supply coupon code, what you have to do is go to the official websites like Coupon Follow and Groupon. From there, you'll be able to get the coupon codes. Here, I'm just going to go to the Coupon Follow. For that, click on the search bar. Now type in couponfollow.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. From this website, you'll be able to find the coupons for various stores. What you have to do is click on this search bar. After you do that, what you have to do is search for a store. Type in Tractor Supply. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the result over here. Simply click on this option, Tractor Supply. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various Tractor Supply coupon codes over here. You'll be able to find the coupon codes that offer you 50% off, 10% off, 69% off, 20% off, cashback, etc. Simply identify the coupon code that you would like to use. Simply click on this option, See Coupon. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the code over here. You can simply redeem it at the Tractor Supply. For that, click on this option, Redeem at Tractor Supply, or you can also copy it. For that, click on this option, Copy. Now you can paste this coupon code during the checkout and you'll be able to get the promised discount. So that is how you get Tractor Supply coupon code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.